Hello students, welcome to Shastra classes. Today we'll continue the number series which we have done yesterday. Okay, let us start the coding now. The first question in coding is 31st question. Uh, if Madras MADRAS is coded as NBS NBESBT ESBT, then how Delhi is coded in that code? Guys, if you observe, in Madras, M became N, A became B, D became E, R became S, A became B, S became T. So it means you need to add one alphabet to get the code. Okay, so how do we code Delhi? Simple, DELHI. Add one alphabet. D plus one alphabet is E, E, F. After L, what comes? M, H, I. After I, what comes? J. Okay. EFMIJ is the code. Next. 32nd one, simple. If Raman is coded as 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, Dinesh is coded as 6, 7, 5, 4, 8, 9. How Hammam is written? Hammam. Okay. Simple, we just need to substitute the values. H, what is H here? 9. What is A? A is nothing but 2. So we will write 2 here as well. What is M? M is nothing but 3. So the code is 92323. Okay. Let us solve the 33rd question. Red is coded as 6720. How do you code green? So guys, we can solve this question by a simple method. You see RE is written as 6 7. Okay, so simply you find where we can also find RE here, right? So it should be 6 7 and this E should be 7. Okay, so simply find 677 in the answer, you'll get the answer. Okay, there is a big method involved in this question. I'll explain you that as well, but you need some patience for that. In MCQs, do this method only. Guys, if you keenly observe, RED is 6720. Okay, so this is a long method. Do not do it in exam. In exam, use only the shortcut method. So guys, if you see D and E are actually alphabets which are together. After D comes E. Similarly, 6 and 7 are numbers which come together. Okay, and 20 is far away from 6 and 7, and R is far away from D and E. If you observe the numbers, I mean alphabets A, B, C, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q. If we take R as 20, we take D as 6 and E as 7, because D and E are together, we'll get R as 20 only. See, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. Okay, now you got it. How did they do? Actually, R value should be 20, E value is 7, D value is 6. So instead of writing in instead of writing it as 27 6, they have written it as reverse 6 7 20. Okay, so you should also write in reverse. So we'll find the value of green. Okay, so guys, please tell me the value of G. G is 9, R is 20, E equals to 7, another E, and N, what is the value of N? 16. So we should not write it as 9, 27, 7, 16. It should be written in reverse because red is also written in reverse. So if we write in reverse, what will the answer? 16, 7, 7, 2, 0, 9. Okay, that's how they got it. But you use the short method only for answer. Okay. Now, again, 34th question. We'll stop here. Okay. So they say in 34th question they have asked us that A is 1, fat is equal to 27. Okay. So if A is equal to 1, what will be B? C will be 3, D will be 4, like that. 8, 70, 20. So if A is equal to 1, what will be the fat? F is nothing but 6, A is nothing but 1, and T will be 20. So it is nothing but 27. Similarly, what will be the faith? F A I. So it is nothing but 6, 1. What is the value of I? 9, plus T is 20, plus H is 8. Okay. So what will be the answer? Is 20, 20, 30, 36 plus 8. It is nothing but 44. So the answer is 44. Simple. So when they give you A as 1, every time you have to solve it like this only. Okay. Question. 35th one. Brother is coded as 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. And sister is coded as 9, 1, 9, 6, 8, 4. How do you code Warbus? Simple, guys, we need to substitute it. What is B? B is 2, O is 5, R is 4, B is 2, and E is 8, and R is 4. What is S? S is 9. 254 2849 is the answer. Simple. And guys, 36 similar to this one only. You just have to substitute it. Please do it on your own. Similar. And 37 is also similar, guys. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41 are same as 35 only. Okay, I'll do one more question for you guys. So I'll do 36. From 37 to 41, you guys should do. Okay. 37th one. Delhi, DELH, is coded as 73541, and Calcutta, CALCUTTA, is coded as 82589662. What is Calicut? CALI. So what is the value of C here? C is, and next A. A is 2, L is 5, I is 1, C is 8, U is 9, T is 6. Okay. 8251896. So 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 all are similar as 35 and 36. Okay, sorry, 36. 37 to 41 similar problems as 35 and 36. You guys do it. And 42, guys, gold is written as I Q N F. What is the, how wind will be coded? That is the question. So guys, how G becomes I? So we need to add 2, right? Add 2. GHI OPQ LMN DEF. You see? So after G, second one is I. So it is coded as G plus 2, O plus 2, L plus 2, D plus 2. Okay. After W, X, Y, I, J, K, N, O, P, D, E, F. The answer is Y, K, P, F. Y, K, P, F. So guys, 43rd question is similar to this one only. Rose is coded as T, Q, U, G. Similarly, RST, OPQ, STU, EFG. Okay. I think you can code biscuit now. I'm giving it for you to do. Simple. So the next one is T, Z, N, V, R, S, W, F, T. So they have given these 8 words, 8 letters. So, and they have also given the code digit 8, 6, 4, 7, 2, 9, 3, 5, 1. Simple. They have given the letter, they have given the code of that letter. Simply you have to substitute. Okay. First one will do Z, D, R, C, V, F. What is Z? What is D? 1. What is R? 2. What is C? 8. What is V? 7. What is F? 5. 612875 is the answer. Similarly, 45 and 46 are same. You can do it on your own. Okay. If you do it on your own, you'll get the confidence. And this is very simple also. So we'll do 47th one. This is slightly complicated. DELHI, Delhi, is coded as C, C, I, D, D. Okay. So guys, how D becomes C? -1 करना इधर. How E becomes C? You have to do -2 because उनके बीच में एक है D. Okay. How L becomes I? I, J, K. So you have to do -3 here. And how H becomes D? So you have to do -4. Okay. So in between I and D, D, E, F. So you have to do -5 here. So -1, -2, -3. So the here it is increasing. The code difference is increasing here. So what did they ask? How will you code Bombay? Simple. For that I need to know ABCD again. A, B, I, K, S, T, Z. So in order to code Bombay, this is -1, B -1 is A, and O is -2 minus. So O -2, O 2. Okay. M -3. This is M 1, 2, 3. This will be J. B -4. This is interesting, guys. After before B there's nothing now, so we have to come back to Z again. 1, 2, 3, 4. X. Okay. A -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B. Y -6. This is Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S. A M Z X V S is the answer. B is the. So 48th one, it is similar to 35 and 36 what we have done. So you guys can do it easily. And 49th one, remember guys, we have done the fat and faith problem. Oh, if it is there. Not there. You remember, right? A, B, C, D, we have taken A as 1, B as 2, B as 3. So this problem also you have to do like that. Palam, what is 49th one? Okay, I'll do it for you guys. Nineteen, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So Palam is 43. So what is P? 16. And A is 1. What is L? L is 12. And A is 1. What is M? Is 13. Just check whether it is 43 or not. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 plus 12 is 29. 30. And 30 plus 13 is 43. Okay. So now what did they ask? What is Santa Cruz? I think now you can do it. I'm leaving it for you to do. Okay. S is nothing but 19 and A is nothing but 1. So like that you have to add all this and find the answer. The answer will be 123. You guys do it on your own. Okay. So 50th one is also pretty simple. We have done it in 35 and 36. So you can do 50th also. And I'll do 51 for you. '51 in a certain code, 256 means you are good. And 637 means we are bad. And 358 means good and bad. Okay. So which of the following represents and? They want to know what is and here. So guys, if you see the first and second numbers 256 and 631, what is the digit which is same here? It is 6, right? So what is the what is it that is same in the first and second statements? It is nothing but r. So we can conclude this that 6 equals to r. Okay. Similarly, in the second and third one, what is this thing that is similar? 3. 3 is similar, right? What is the thing that is similar in second and third? It is bad. So can we say that 3 is equal to bad? And in the first and third statements, third numbers, the digit that is similar is 5. And what is the word that is similar? Good. So we can say that 5 is equal to good. Okay. But we want and. Guys, we know good, we know bad. Okay. So good is 5, bad is 3. What will be and? And is nothing but 8. So the answer is 8. Okay. That's how we have to find out. Now that we are done with coding, we'll see odd number out. Okay. So you will be given a series and you need to find the odd one. Give you an example. You see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13. Guys, can you see that? What is the, can you find the odd number? Odd number means not 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 all. Odd number means जो different है, जो हटके है इन सब के numbers से. Okay. Don't take it as literally as odd number. Okay. So in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10 and all, if you see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, they are all odd numbers. This is even number. So ये सबसे हटके है ना. So we have to, the answer will be 10 only because that is the odd number here, odd one. Okay. Odd number means not 1, 3, 5, 7 and all. That's what I'm saying. Odd man. We have to find the odd man. So सबसे different है. So either 10 सबसे different है. That will be the answer. 3, 5, 19. तो गाइस इनमें ऑड नंबर क्या है जरा देखिए एक बार. तो yesterday the group and the Telegram channel we have discussed prime numbers. So if you see, this is a prime number, this is a prime number, this is a prime number, this is not a prime number, this is a prime number, this is a prime number. So ये सबसे अलग है. So 15 will be the answer. So guys, yesterday in the class, I think by mistake I told that the prime number series are like this. But sorry guys, ये include नहीं होता. By mistake I told you this. Okay, 1 is not prime number. Okay, 1 is not a prime number. So answer to 52nd question is 15. ये भी देख ले 10, 14, 16, 18, 23, 24, 26. So guys, if you see here, the only, all are even numbers, the only odd number is 23. So answer will be 23. So here 1, 4, 9, 16, 24, 25, 36. इनमें odd number क्या होता है आप ज़रा सोचिए. आपको 1, 4, 9, 16 देखने से ही पता चलना है कि ये सारे स्क्वेयर्स है. So 1 is nothing but 1 square, 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square, 16 is 4 square, 24, 25. 25 is 5 square. But 24 is not a square of anyone. So this is the odd man out. इन सबसे अलग ये है. Okay. And 34th question, sorry, 55th question. 41, 43, 47. तो गाइस ये सब फिर से प्राइम नंबर दिए हुए हैं. 41, 43, 47, 53, 61, 71, 73. All are prime numbers. Only 75. 75 is divisible by many numbers like 3, 5, 15, 25 and all. So it is a composite number. ये सारे prime numbers है. So again, they are testing the concepts of squares here. 16, 25, 36. 16 is 4 square. 25 is 5 square. 36 is 6 square. And 73 is not a square of any number. 144 12 square है ऐसा. So 73 is the answer. 196 14 square and 225 is 15 square. 73 किसी का भी स्क्वायर नहीं है. So यही सबसे डिफरेंट नंबर है 73. एंड अगेन देखो इधर फिर से हमको स्क्वायर्स का 1 4 9 16. 1 is 1 square, 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square, 16 is 4 square एंड 19 किसी का भी स्क्वायर नहीं है. तो ये है आंसर. 36 6 स्क्वायर, 49 is 7 स्क्वायर. सिंपल. आपको स्क्वायर्स पता होना चाहिए, प्राइम नंबर्स क्या है वो पता होना चाहिए, हो जाएगा. एंड नेक्स्ट 1 5 14 30 49. तो अभी करने के 1 5 14 30 49 55 91. तो गाइस इनका डिफरेंस क्या है? 4 का डिफरेंस 16. ओ माय गॉड, आपको फिर से कुछ याद आ रहा है? 4 इज नथिंग बट 2 स्क्वायर, दिस इज 3 स्क्वायर, दिस इज 4 स्क्वायर. So next difference should be 5 square, which is nothing but 25. 30 plus 25 will be 55. But 49 कहाँ से आ गया? So 49 is odd one out. समझे आप? ये 59th question is very interesting question, guys. This 59th one. 835. 835, 734, 642, 751, 853, 981, 532. इनमें ऑड नंबर आउट क्या है? ऑड मैन आउट क्या है इसमें इनमें? तो गाइस मैं आपको आंसर बता देता हूँ बिकॉज इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. आप देखो पहले 835 है ना. 835 में फर्स्ट नंबर इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ द नेक्स्ट टू नंबर्स. 8 इज इक्वल टू 3 + 5. ठीक है. 734, 7 is equal to 3 + 4. We can write like that. 642, 6 is equal to 4 + 2. Simple. 751, 7 is not equal to 5 + 1. तो ऑड मैन कौन बन गया? 751. एंड 60th प्रॉब्लम. होप you have written. Four, 5, 7, 10, 32. तो इनका डिफरेंस क्या है? +1 का डिफरेंस +4 का डिफरेंस क्या होना चाहिए? +5 होना चाहिए. 14 + 5 शुड बी 19 बट वी गॉट 18. so this is odd man out. तो गाइस सॉरी, इधर मेरा बुक में Write down the 61st question. 52, 51, 48, 43, 34, 27, 16. तो 52 minus 51, तो 52 51 कैसे आ गया? -1, इधर -3 हो गया. 48 minus 43 is 5. तो 135 क्या होते हैं? वो सब ऑड नंबर्स होते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट ऑड नंबर क्या होना चाहिए? -7 होना चाहिए. बट इधर क्या है? 43 minus 7, what it will be? 36. बट इधर 34 आया. So this is the odd man out. Okay guys, we have completed the coding and odd man out. I hope you liked the lecture. Please do whatever the remaining problems, and if you have any doubt in these problems, you can ask me. You know my number. Okay guys, thank you. We'll start with blood relations tomorrow. Thank you for your valuable time.